Good morning, my fellow developer. Today, I tell you how to check. In one of my question, one of my students asked me, "Sir, how can I see all the poll questions that you have sent as part of the community section?" So to explain that, so you have to come to my YouTube channel. You can see the YouTube channel link on the top of this URL, youtube.com/morningwithai. You can see the same logo also, Morning with AI. You can see almost 4 to 5 different tabs: home, videos, playlist, and community. Sometimes maybe in your page it will show like kind of post, POSTs. Okay, so you have to click on this community, click on this. Okay, I can see under the community post all the different poll questions and respective options that I am giving as part of this. Okay, what I'll do, definitely, let's say it's related to NumPy. You have to run this program, or you need to figure it out. Let me read more. I think some other questions also there. Yeah, part of the question you can see. What is the output of the above code? You can see. So import statement. Then I have written. I'm creating a matrix that I am resetting. Okay, into 3, 4. Then I'm doing some array and masking chemical. If you run it, you'll be able to see the past option is correct. Then you have to click option 1. Okay, because this is my channel, I'm not able to see the option. You will see some 4 radio button. You have to click on that, then jump to line. That's all. Then I can see, okay, what are the things you have covered. Okay. Fine. So like this, we have speed, split, and all this non-type question. Similarly, okay, this is for probability statistics and all. Okay, you can see lot many things. So now the Pandas series is going on. So once you complete, then I will keep the poll question about the probability statistics. Then we will dig dive into each and every part, like NumPy, visualization, as well as that starting with machine learning, deep learning, neural network, computer vision, NLP, and all. Okay, but each and every topic I will give the poll question, at least 2 to 3 poll question every day, and you can just go through it. So it will be definitely helpful for you to crack the first L1 or L2 round. If maybe it's a written test, or maybe multiple choice question is there, you can crack it. And the progress is this. You can see. Yeah, this is a pretty good question about I can say probability and statistics. For example, if it is known that 70% people will like plain tea, 60% people like ginger tea, and 30% people like both. What percentage of the people like plain tea but not like green tea? You can calculate, so it's coming around 40%. So you have to click on 40% video button, then click on like. That's all what you have to do as part of this, giving the answer of the poll question. You can stay here also. What is the sample space when 2 coins are one after other? So obviously 4 sample space may come, right? Either both will come as head, first will come head, second will come tail, or maybe first will come tail, second will come as head, or both may be come as tail. So these are the 4 different sample spaces you make it, right? Similarly, it's related to big data, Hadoop, and all, high map reduce and all, popular type. Okay. 4 B's or big data, that is volume, variety, velocity, and velocity, except the value. So whenever value is there, you have to remove it. Okay. This is not the answer, value is there. This is not the answer, value is there. Here also value is there. So except the value. So here value is not there, option B. So option B is the answer. Okay. Similarly, one more question I will show you related to probability and statistics. Okay. How many outcomes will be there if we toss a coin 3 times? So if we toss a coin 2 times, obviously we have seen 4 different outputs. Why? Because 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Here, I want to toss the coin 3 times. With 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 8. So it will be the answer. Why? Because 3 coins. I mean, if you have to you have to toss a coin 3 times, which ultimately it is same as you are tossing 3 coins at a time. So maybe first time you toss a coin, head will come. Second time, tail will come. Then third time, maybe tail will come. Maybe all the head will come, head, then head, tail, then head, tail, head. then tell, like this. Then finally it will be tell. All three cases, tell me count. So if you count, you will come as 8. Okay. Just try to revise your probability and statistics concept, you will get to know what is the answer. Okay. Similarly, this one also. A person decides to give 2 interviews. Each interview will be either success, yes, or failure, yes. How many elements are there in the sample space if he gives 2 interviews? So if we give it 2 interviews, obviously 4 sample space will be there. Why? Because, for example, he has given 2 interviews. The first favorable cases is he may succeed in these 2 interviews. So yes, yes. He may fail in 2 interviews. So F. He may succeed in first interview, fail in second interview. That will be F. He may fail in first interview, succeed in the second interview. That will be F. So 4 different cases, sample space will come here. Okay, 4 different. So 4 in the answer. Like you have to choose the option. Okay, fine. I hope now you are clear how to get into the poll question and all, right? You have to open my channel, then this Morning with AI. Go to the communities section. Then below the scroll down, you'll be able to see each and every question will be the respective option. Okay, you can engage yourself while solving all this so that you will get a lot of clarity. Your concept will be much clear. And these are the questions generally in the product-based company or service-based company they ask in the first round or second round kind of to clear things. Okay, and with this, guys, also I'm just closing this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.